TruCredit Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this TruCredit Review, where I'll provide an in-depth look at its features, target audience, and my usage experience. Be sure to check the links in the description for more information about this product. TruCredit is a comprehensive credit monitoring and management service designed to help individuals gain better control over their financial health. It's ideal for anyone who wants to stay on top of their credit reports, monitor changes, and protect against potential identity theft. Whether you're preparing for a major financial milestone or simply aiming for improved credit awareness, TruCredit offers a solid solution. One of TruCredit's core features is real-time credit monitoring. It tracks your credit activity across the three major bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, alerting you to changes like new accounts, inquiries, or updates to existing accounts. This makes it easier to spot inaccuracies or unauthorized activity quickly. Another key offering is the comprehensive credit report and score analysis. TruCredit provides detailed insights into your credit reports, breaking down factors that impact your score, such as payment history, credit utilization, and account age. It even includes simulation tools that allow you to see how specific financial actions, like paying off a debt or opening a new account, could affect your credit score. For those concerned about security, TruCredit includes identity theft protection features, such as dark web monitoring and alerts for suspicious activity. It also offers recovery support in case your identity is compromised, helping you resolve issues quickly and with minimal stress. TruCredit's user-friendly platform and mobile app ensure that all this information is easily accessible. The dashboard is straightforward, making it simple to view updates, track your progress, and take actionable steps to improve your credit. With affordable subscription plans and tools for both proactive credit management and security, TruCredit is an excellent choice for individuals seeking a blend of convenience, insight, and protection. If you're ready to enhance your credit management strategy, check the links in the description to learn more and get started today.